Jai Hind to all. Today our topic is multiplication of integers. First rule, when two integers having the same sign, so multiply of both integers having the same sign, result is always positive. Second, when both integers having same sign in minus form, so product of these two sign convert into the form of plus sign. For example, 2 into 3, answer is 6. 2 and 3 both are positive integers, their sign is also positive, and simple multiply 2 3s are 6. Second, minus into minus is also plus, means minus 2 into minus 3. First multiply the number to number, answer is 6. Here both sign are same minus form, so we will get the answer sign is also minus sign. Second rule, when sign are opposite, minus into plus or plus into minus, result is always minus. For example, minus 2 into 3, number multiplied 2 into 3 is 6, sign is opposite, so sign of result is also minus sign. Similarly, for the second statement, 3 into minus 2, 3 is a plus sign and 2 is in here minus sign. So product of these two number, we will get the sign is minus, and same number multiply 3 into 2 is 6. Is it clear? So last our conclusion is, when both integers having the same sign, so result we will get the same sign, means plus multiply plus is plus sign, minus into minus is also plus sign. Sign opposite multiply always result in negative sign. Minus into plus is minus, plus into minus sign is also minus sign. Next, properties. First, name is closure property for multiplication. In closure property, product of two integer is always integer. Like example, 2 into minus 3. So 2 into minus 3 by law, we will get the result is minus 6. Minus 6 is also integer. In second law, commutative property, let a and b are two integers, so product of this two integer we can write the a into b or b into a, result are same, means 2 into 3 or 3 into 2, both results are in same form. Here answer is 6. Associative property, for three integers a, b, c is satisfied the associative property. Let a values here, a equal to minus 1, b equal to 2 and c equal to 3. Putting this value in a, b, c, so minus 1 into 2 into 3, and right hand side a value is minus 1, b value is 2 and 3. Simplify by BODMAS system, so we will get the result is here minus 2 into 3 and here minus 1 into 6. Multiply by rule of the multiplication of integer, we will get result is minus 6 and here also minus 6. So left hand side is equal to the right hand side. This meaning is associative property is satisfied for multiplication of three integers. Next property, name is distributive law of multiplication over addition. A into b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c. This formula is called the distributive property of multiplication over addition, where a, b, c are three integers. Let a, b, c values are given, putting the left hand side and right side of the given distributive law, so we will get the result is same 1 1. So this meaning is this property is also satisfied for multiplication of three integers over addition. Fifth topic is multiplicative identity, means let a be any integer, multiply by 1, answer is same integer. So this property is called multiplicative identity. Sixth property, multiplicative inverse. multiplicative inverse of a non-zero integer. Do remember that in this law a is any integer बट नॉट इक्वल टू ज़ीरो. मतलब इसमें आपको ध्यान देना है कि a ऐसा इंटीजर होगा जो जीरो नहीं हो सकता, और बाकी में जो प्रीवियस लॉ हमने स्टडी किया उसमें a की वैल्यू ज़ीरो हो सकती है. तो इस सिचुएशन में नॉन ज़ीरो है, तो उस सिचुएशन पे जो 1/a है वो उसका क्या कहलाएगा, मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स कहलाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स में 1/a इंटू ए करो या a इंटू 1/a करो, आंसर क्या आना चाहिए, 1 आना चाहिए. लाइक एग्जाम्पल, एनी इंटीजर विच इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू ज़ीरो, मतलब नॉन ज़ीरो इंटीजर क्या हो गया, 2. तो इसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स क्या होगा, 1/2. इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई करो तो रिजल्ट क्या आना चाहिए, हमेशा 1 आना चाहिए. लाइक एग्जांपल, मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स ऑफ 16 इज़ 1/16. मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स ऑफ -5 इज़ 1/-5. इन सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म इज़ -1/5. लास्ट प्रॉपर्टी नेम है प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ जीरो. मीन्स एनी इंटीजर मल्टीप्लाई बाय जीरो, answer is always 0. For example, 2 is an integer, so 2 multiply with 0, answer is 0. So complete this topic.